Alright, so today we are replacing this leaky pool bib on my pool filter here. As you can see, it's leaking out of this hose that I have hooked up. I have a Pentair Intelliflo 2 pump. It's pretty easy. You gotta release pressure out of the system. So you can open this up and you can open up this on top of your filter. And then all you have to do is unscrew the bib. Mine is a 3/4 inch bib. Yours might be a 1/2 inch, so just check before you buy one. You can buy one from Pentair and it would be the same like PVC material. I just bought a metal one from Home Depot, so you can do either. They're pretty much the same. Make sure it's clean. And I'm putting the new bib on here. You can use plumber's tape. I couldn't find my plumber's tape, so I'm just gonna put it on. Get it hand tight. And then once it's tight enough, then you can use a wrench or spanners to turn it a little bit more so that it's upright. You don't wanna go too tight, you don't wanna break your PVC pipe. And there you go. That's pretty much it. So you're gonna turn the system on. You're gonna purge the air out of the system. And once you have the air purged out, close it all up and check for leaks. Looks dry. Monitor it for a little while, make sure it doesn't start leaking later. But other than that, you're all set. Thanks for watching.